मुहूर्तस्तु मुहूर्तस्तु तदेव लग्नं सुदनं तदेवाताराबलं चन्द्रबलं तदेव विद्याबलं देवबलं तदेव लक्ष्मीपदे नमस्करामि।
Hey you guys, welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. It's a big day. It's our Simanta. It's my Simanta today. That is the 7th month pregnancy ceremony. And here we have my mom, my pachi, all making me wear sonpul. That is lot of jasmine flowers tied in a beautiful way on the hair. And the time is 5:45 in the morning and I'm getting ready. Sonpul is also known as Sharada Jalli. It is the traditional hairstyle native to Udupi, Mangalore side, where a lot of jasmine flowers are tied with thread as well as clips, lots of clips. During Dasara, Vijay Dasmi, Mate Sharade, Sharada goddess here in Mangalore, Udupi is made this hairstyle is the Murti of Sharada Devi is decorated with this hairstyle. So also it is popular in GSB Konkani weddings, also other caste weddings where the brides wear this hairstyle for their weddings. The person who makes you wear this sonpul is very trained, requires lots and lots of patience as well as takes about 3-4 hours to get this sonpul completed. And it's one layer kept on another layer of jasmine flowers. This sonpul hairstyle requires about 6 to 7 atti of jasmine. One atti costs about 2000 rupees. This was during December 22nd wedding season. One atti consists of 4 chendu mallige. One chendu is around 500, so one atti comes about 2000. So total comes about 15-16,000 just for flowers, and extra charges of makeup artist. Total cost can be 20,000. This is how I am looking. Wow. Creating this hairstyle requires lots and lots of patience. I am wearing Shankarpura Mallige and Bhatkal Mallige, different breeds of the jasmine on my hair, and yes, it's very heavy. So the hairstyle is heavy. Thanks to Nandin Pachi, this is amazing. I'm looking gorgeous. This is my aunt Geeta and cousin Ganesh and Varsha. It was my dream to wear this and I can't stop admiring myself. Oh yeah, this is so beautiful. A huge shout out to my aunt Nandini Savita Shenai for making me wear this. She's an expert trained makeup artist. And this is how I got ready. Yay, my big day, my Simanta today. I am so happy. And thanks to my husband for making it possible. No, the Simanta I mean, not my pregnancy. Oh God, no. Thanks to my husband for organizing the Simanta. I really am very happy. Thanks to my in-laws who made this possible. Yeah. Yeah, this is our traditional sonpul look. Yes. And this is Guruji dressed in traditional attire, and here we're all ready for Simanta.
Om Sarvebhyo Devebhyo Namaha, Sarvebhyo Gurubhyo Namaha, Sarvebhyo Brahmanebhyo Namaha, Prarabhakalendra Vikramasto, Shubham Shobhanamasto, Ishtadevadaha, Kuladevadaha, Suprasanna Varadava Bandhu, Om Sumakasche Gadantascha, Kavilogajakarnakaha, Lambodarascha Vikado Vignanasho Ganadipaha, Om Shri Shrihi, Acharya Srimadacharya Santume Janma Janmani. प्रथम जाऊंगे तुम्हें कुलदेव महालसा नारायणी ले गुरु दास को तशीच इष्टदेव सोमेश्वरचे वीरविठ्ठलाक वेंकटरमणाक कोदंडरामचंद्र काळिंबर्धनाक त्यांचे परिवार देवता महालक्ष्मी मुखांबिकाकी मुख्य प्राणांकी स्मरण करून येऊचे तशी तुम्ही नमूने तसले पैचे ग्रामदेव दलारी उदास कांगे विशेष गांगे मलगडून आराधन कोदन तसले शृंगेरीचे लक्ष्मी वेंकट.
This is going to be a long video, so please do stick till the end because there's a lot of unique traditions that we follow and also lots of gifts and unique gifts that I received. There is porcupine's quill or thorn involved in the Simanta program, so I'm very excited.
जन्मना जायते जंतुः संस्कारात् विजोच्यते म्हणून शास्त्रसंत मरी एक चरडाक एक षोडश संस्कार म्हणाले देऊन तक संस्कारवंत कोरकाम म्हणताना तक्का पोट्टा अस्तांतकुन एक संस्कार येता गर्भाधान पुंसवन सीमंत म्हणून अशपुरा संस्कार येता आणि ते विशेष जागीन सीमंत म्हणून सांगलारी एक पॉट भरलत संदर्भ हाजरी एक मस्त राक्षस इत्यादी पुरा कसनस त्या गर्भाक एक कसने पण एक अपाय कुर्च बदल जांगेन हन पुरा भूंत असतात म्हणताना ते सर्वे कसने अपाय असलारी निवारण जाऊ का तशींचे एक बायलमनचे एक ते कसने मन एक मनांतो इन्नितर कसने योचने इत्यादी आणशी चांग दवा स्मरण करत असले एक मन कसनस त्या मेळका मळका तरी जांगेल हे सीमंत म्हणून करचे चांग एक प्रसव इत्यादी जांगेन चांग एक संतान भाग्य मेणगेल मुकासून चांग इति तन्नी सांसारिक जीवन करत असले भाग्य पडोत भाग्य उत्तरवे आंतु सर्वे मलगणे त्या परमात्मा अनुग्रह केला मला वाक्य दिला त्या परमात्मा अनुग्रह कोण दिला गेल तथा का रक्षण कोर का तरोतर कल्याण कोरनो बर कोर का म्हणून सर्वे देवाला प्रार्थना करून घेऊचे. ओम देवी वाचा मदरेंद्र देवा साविष्णुरूपा वदन्ति स्थानो मन्द्रेशमूर्धं दुहानाभ्येन्द्रवागस्मादुपस्वतैतो अक्षरपुरगला संसृष्टन्नामधेयं समागतमस्मभ्यं दत्तावरणश्रवन्युभो भ्यं ददानार्देशत्र भवनादिता स्वप्निलयन्ता.
And after the prarthane, we began the havan. We sat for havan and this went on for about an hour.
सर्वेभ्यो गुरुभ्यो नमः सर्वेभ्यो ब्राह्मणेभ्यो नमः आचम्या प्राणानायम्यान् ओम श्री केशवाय स्वाहा ओम श्री नारायणाय स्वाहा ओम श्री माधवाय स्वाहा गोविन्दाय नमः विष्णवे नमः मधुसूदनाय नमः त्रिविक्रमाय नमः वामनाय नमः श्रीधराय नमः ऋषिकेशाय नमः पद्मनाभाय अस्माकं सर्वेषां सहकुटुम्बानां क्षेम स्थैर्य वीर्य विजय आयुः आरोग्य ऐश्वर्य अभिवृद्ध्यर्थं धर्म अर्थ काम मोक्ष पूर्वतले पंचकोणाकारवेणे अधिदेवता प्रतिदेवता सहितं शुक्रग्रहमावाहयामि स्थापयामि पूजयामि पश्चिमतले शनेश्वर पूजां करिष्ये ओम भूर्भुवस्वाहा शनेश्वरम् आवाहयामि शनेश्वर शनेश्वर आवाहनं ओम नमः करदन्न प्रसूर्याः जन्मातोवात् परवाः वस्त्रदाः प्रजापते ओम प्रयानो वामदेवराहुर् गायत्री राहुर्ति तीर्थे अवाहनं योगः वन्दयानश्च आहुवदुति सावरदस्कागे आदृष्टयावदा आयं गोष्ठे रक्तमेन सदनामनुग्रह ग्रन्थ प्रेम स्वाहा परमप्रभुदैवं कामितेश्वरो देवयानाद दक्षिणस्मदे नमते ते परिमान प्रदाम देशोमुद्रीनान धूम्रं धूम्रां पदायामि शुनश्य पूर्णश्चता वर्णावाहनं योगः ओम तत्वायामि ब्रह्मणां धामान सदाशास्ते यजमानविद्भिः हेळमानवरुडेः पूजितं शब्दमान आयु प्रभोषेः वरुणम् आवाहयामि स्थापयामि पूजयामि नमः येषां निकलशे भूः धर्मकम् आवाहयामि वातर्मकं भूर्भुवस्वाहा धर्मकम् आवाहयामि नमस्तु.
And this is the ritual of bringing Agni to start the havan. Doing the puja and havan felt very refreshing and very spiritual and very positive environment for me. I used to do some mobility exercises during pregnancy because of which I could sit down on the floor in Sukhasana, also called as cross-legged position. In this ritual, the Panditji Navneet Bhatt is crushing darba, that is garike hullu, that is dibrankoru, and I am made to smell it. The muhurt of Simanta was around 10:30 in the morning.
तिष्ठन्ति दिवि सोमादिश्रुतः सोमेनादित्या बलिनः सोमेन प्रभृतिमहि अतो नक्षत्राणीतापस्ते सोमाहीतः सोमं मन्यते पृथिवान् संविम्यश्चोषधर्म सोमय्यं ब्रह्माणो विदुतस्यातानियश्च आचद्वीतानि ऋतुमितो मार्हाति लक्ष्मीर्यस्य परिग्रहः कमलभो सोनरुगरुष्मानरतः पौत्रश्चन्द्रविभूषण सुरगुरुः तेजश्च शय्यासनः ब्रह्माण्डं वरमन्दिरं सुरगणः यस्य प्रभो सेवका सत्रैलोक्य कुटुम्बपालनपरः सदा मङ्गलम् सुमुहूर्ते सावधान सुलग्ने सावधान वसिष्ठवागेश्वराभ्यां नमः सीमन्तो मुहूर्त सुमुहूर्तमस्तु ॐ गङ्गा सिन्धु सरस्वती च यमुना गोदावरी नर्मदा कृष्णा भीमरती च फल्गु सनयोः श्रीगण्डकी गोमती कावेरी कपिला प्रयाग विनता नेत्रावती व्याधयो नद्य श्रीहरिपाद पंकज भवान् भूयासदा मङ्गलम् समूर्ते सावधान सुलग्ने सावधान तदेव लग्नं सुगतं तदेवातारा बलं चन्द्रबलं तदेव विद्याबलं देवबलं तदेव लक्ष्मीपदे नमस्कामि मुहूर्ते सावधान सुलग्ने सावधान वसिष्ठवागीश्वराभ्यां नमः श्रीमन्त्रेण मुहूर्त समूहूर्तमस्तु
ग्रामदेवालय इष्टदेवालय मलगड़ उड़गास्थानजलो यावला प्रार्थन कोणगेचे दवरलाद सोते मुहूर्तांतो सीमंत उन्नयन कल्लालकडेन गर्भाग चांगोदक्ष दवान अनुग्रह कोणजलो मुखार्थ कालाचरी चाग कालाचरी सुखप्रसव जवत शिदवान अनुग्रह कोरकामु पूरा देवांजल पूरा उड़गास्थानजलो सीमंत उन्नयन कोरते दैव ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तीन उन्नयन कोरका.
This is porcupine's thorn, which we call as Salare Kanta in Konkani. The porcupine quill is tied with pingara and flowers, and a line is drawn from the navel of the pregnant lady to the head by her husband. Porcupine is very difficult to kill because of this thorn or quill of its defense mechanism. So that's why it's used in Simanta Shastra, where the father prays to the god that please protect my unborn child the way this quill of porcupine protects the porcupine. That's the story behind using porcupine quill. And this is called Rumbada Mala, that is a cluster fig or Indian fig that is tied in the form of a mala and is made to be worn by the pregnant woman. I really wanted to do all of this. This was a dream come true for me. The Salare Kanto and this Rumbada Mala. I wanted to do a Simanta just to wear this Rumbada Mala and Sound Pool and the Salare Kanto. Thanks to my husband again. I'm really happy. This Simanta is performed by the husband's side, and Gurbini Javan is another 7th month pregnancy ritual which is performed by the mother's side. And here the Panditji is telling the do's and don'ts that a pregnant woman and her husband should follow during pregnancy, which according to our Shastra, what is written in our scriptures. Our Hindu scriptures say that you should not do heavy strenuous exercises during pregnancy, as well as no sudden movements, and you should not go by horse, because olden days the mode of transport was horse. So basically, yes, travel cautiously after the 7 months is what our scriptures say. The translation to last clip is you should not go alone near the well or river or sea, and you should not stay alone during pregnancy. A pregnant lady should not eat too spicy or too sour food items. Here, the Panditji is joking, saying that the rules not only apply to the pregnant lady, but there are rules written in our scriptures for the husband of the pregnant woman also. The husband should fulfill all the cravings and desires of his wife. So I had lot of junk food cravings. So I started laughing listening to this. The man should not trim his beard and hair until the birth of his child, and should only trim after the child is born. I was very happy that now Guruji should fulfill all my junk food cravings.
स्वामी परमात्मा देवाला प्रार्थना करून द्यायचं तुमच्या कुलदेवाला इष्टदेवाला पुरादेवाला उद्गास घेऊन विशेष दिवसानं तुमच्याला सुनेक आयच्या मुहूर्तारी श्रीमंतोने घेऊन देवता प्रार्थना करून घेऊन तदंग कसं पुरा पूजन कोरकाಗಿ पूरा करून घेऊन देवराला मुहूर्तांतो श्रीमंतोने संस्कार कलारस तशी देवाना त्या संस्कार संतोष स्वीकार करून घेऊन त्या गर्भाग अनेक दोष इत्यादि जानदशी संपूर्ण रक्ष देवा अनुग्रह करून देऊ का गर्भांतो अनेक वाईट बनसले त्या पूरा दूर जाऊन देऊन चांग कालाचे सुखप्रसव तशी देवा अनुग्रह.
And then we began with the rituals of Haldi Kumkum and Vonti Borche. My husband gifted me this gold bangle on occasion of Simanta. So this is the same bangle which we bought from Jos Alucas, and this each bangle is about 17 grams of gold, and total both of them are around 34 grams. If you haven't watched that video, I'll leave a link in the I button. Please do check that out. And then they gifted this sari which we bought in Patil clothes store. Oh yes, there's also a vlog for it. I'll leave a link in the I button for that also. You can watch the sari shopping vlog. And now, as per tradition, I have to wear this orange sari gifted by my mother-in-law and come back. Thanks, Nandin Pachi, for superb sound pool, superb makeup, and superb sari. Yes, this is how I look, and this is the same sari which we bought in Patil clothes store here in Parkala, Udupi. You can watch the sari shopping vlog. I leave a link in the I button. And this is the tradition of Sheshe Aarti, that is Aarti is done to the couple by the mother-in-law and mother, as well as all the other ladies in the house. All these rituals were performed by my in-laws side first, and now it's my parents side to perform all these same set of rituals.
वर्धयामि पूर्वामन्यमकारं निर्पादावनीते देवाराष्ट्रस्य गुप्ताभयस्य वृद्धिः आवपादावनीजने विशन्तं निर्भरं तुम्हें दुनिया तो सरोंगे स्वयं गंधद्वारां दुरादरशां ते गुलाब दान दिया तरुषदां गणेशने शरीर मगर दिया फूल अमरमं प्रकटं प्रजापतिनं प्रसादाय शमुक्रमेनं फलमस्तु तेजः
And this gold necklace is a gift from my parents' side. And this is called Palak necklace, traditional Kerala design necklace. This has about 4 pavans of gold, that is about 32 grams of gold. And they also gifted me a sari and Guruji a kurta set. So this sari I am not required, not compulsory to wear and come. And first the mother-in-law does this haldi kumkum and gives phala tambula, and then the mother does it, and now the other ladies that are gathered can do this ritual. And then kids are asked to choose from any of the sweets which they like and made me to eat them. I was asked to control my sweet and sugar intake, but I took full chance of this opportunity and started eating all sweets.
पुरा खावे आता इष्ट असेल आणि कसं जाऊ का नाही का
These are my cousin sister Shweta Kamath, Smita Malya, and my loving aunt Savita Puranik. This is my mother's side family, our Kakala Rajkamal family. And this is my husband's side family, his mother's side and father's side. And here comes the best part of any function, the food. So we did enjoy good food, and I was damn tired by this point. The Sonpool hairstyle that I'm wearing is all heavy jasmine flowers, and then also the pregnancy fatigue was making me feel tired, but I was in no mood to remove the hairstyle. So in the evening we went to the temple as per our rituals that we have to visit the temple. This is Venkatraman temple in Udupi. And here are some pictures from the day. It is a very memorable day for me. This is a very big event in my life after my marriage, so I will really cherish this day forever. My mother-in-law Anita Bhatt prepared this chakuli, all homemade, amazing. These are my mother's own sisters, all my aunts, my loving aunts, and this is my only uncle in the frame. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you're new, please do subscribe. If you like the video, hit that like button and let me know all your thoughts in the comment section. The next video is going to be about my baby shower vlog of my mother's side. And yes, there's a lot of mehendi and a lot of soundpool again involved. I'll see you soon in the next video. This video was a 30-minute video. Thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you soon. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.